In this video, we're going to learn how to adjust table column width and row heights in Microsoft Excel. This is a table. First, select the tabular area. You can drag mouse over tabular area or simply put cursor on the table and press Ctrl A. Whole table area is selected. Now, under Home tab, go to Cells area. Here, there is a option Format. Click on the drop-down menu. There is a option Autofit Row Height. Simply select it. Row heights are adjusted. Go to the Format area again. Select Autofit column width. All columns are adjusted. If you want to use a shortcut to adjust row height and column width, simply press Alt H O A. Row heights are adjusted. If you want to adjust column width, the shortcut will be Alt H O I. If you need to format the table, give it a new look, press Ctrl T. Select the data for your table, tick My Table at Headers, press OK. And here there are so many different options. Choose the option that you prefer. That's it. That's how you can adjust table row height and column width in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching.